I've got another nice fresh summer salad. And you know what? This one reminds me of Aunt Peggy because, and this recipe is from Deen Brothers. So I know this was inspired the boys from their Aunt Peggy. Uh, but she makes her own like Italian dressing that is so good. In fact, when she used to come, when she was a little younger, and she would come, the first thing the boys would ask for is, "Would you make me some of your dressing to take home?" And of course, that thrilled her to do it. But now I wouldn't ask her to do it for nothing because she might get flustered. But it was always so good and everybody's favorite. So this doesn't have nearly the ingredients that Aunt Peggy's has, but we're going to go for it. Now we're going to take our cucumber, and really depends on how many people you're feeding as to how many cucumbers you would want. And like a half of a large Vidalia onion, which makes it so, so good. Now I'm going to sprinkle this with vinegar. And I'm going to let this sit for 30 minutes in the refrigerator. And I'm going to go ahead and salt and pepper this and put it in the refrigerator. And in 30 minutes, we'll be able to finish that beautiful, beautiful salad. There's nothing like a summer cucumber. For you folks that's getting nice fresh tomatoes, if you've never had an heirloom tomato, I would highly recommend that you buy an heirloom tomato. They are just so, so good. The only thing is about an heirloom, they have a very hard core in the center, and so I do cut that out. So you lose a little tomato, but the flavor is incredible. All right, so I'm just cutting this up kind of bite size. And then I'm going to add a little bit of salt to it. And now I'm going to chop my dill. This is beautiful, beautiful dill. I've tried growing dill, and it doesn't last very long. You know, if you're not going to use it for pickles or something pretty quick, it just does not last long. And I'm going to just roughly chop this. And that tomato juice that was laying down there, that doesn't look quite like a tablespoon and a half, does it? Not quite. This would be so good with like grilled chicken on the grill. It would be so, so good. All right, so I'm just going to add that to the cucumbers and the vinegar. And then I'm going to put more salt on it because I didn't put very much earlier. And my coarse ground black pepper. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I wish Aunt Peggy was here. She would be all over this. So good and so simple, y'all. But I've always been a firm believer. Keep it simple, stupid. The KISS motto, keep it simple, stupid. So I've always tried to follow that rule, y'all. It's kind of easy for me to follow it. So get your partner to cook some chicken on the grill. Get you a split down the middle chicken and smoke it on the grill. It will be so good with this, and you'd be eating so healthy. So that's it. Thank you, boys. This actually came from the Deen Brothers. Y'all come eat. And I know they were thinking about Aunt Peggy when they did this one. I'm going to put a little bit more dill, because I can. Loving best dishes, y'all. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.